Yeah, so welcome guys. I just want to tell the truth about what it really takes to go from six figures to 7 or 8 in ecom. I've been doing it for the past 8 years, exited one of my brand in 2022. I want to teach you guys everything I know, zero bullshit. Welcome to Ecom Unfiltered. All right, guys. So here's why firing your media buyers won't fix your broken business. Now, let's take a look at this organigram right here. If you're doing seven figures with your e-commerce, there is probably a high chance it looks like this. You're the CEO and you hired a CFO, a CMO, and an assistant. You got probably in the team some SEO consultant, CRO, a community manager, a creative strategist in house, hopefully. You manage designers, copywriters, video editors, and media buyers. Now, why I'm saying firing your media buyers won't fix your e-commerce? Because 80% of your media buyers' results are directly attributable to the creative strategist output. Why I'm saying this? Let's take an example. You hire the best media buyer in the world on Meta, the best, whoever you want. He's the best you know. You give him bad creatives. What do you think will happen? There is nothing he can do to bring down your CPA, to bring you good results, because the creatives are bad and there is nothing you can do. And what it means that let's be honest, media buying is becoming a commodity. You know, back in the days, it was a different game. You had to know how to do like how to trick kind of the algorithm, how to find like disruptive way of structuring your campaigns, or like doing the right tweaks, and just like you could be like, I don't know, creative. But it's not the case anymore. Today you're launching a broad campaign with zero interest, and you're just targeting men or women, and you choose the age and you choose a country, and that's it. It's the best setup. Every time it's beating interest, it's beating everything else. Broad, the most simple things to run. So it really means that if your CPA is rising, and it has been working for the past 2 years, there is many reasons for that. So what I'm saying here is it's probably your creatives. You have creative fatigue. You need to replace them. You need better creatives. You need a better framework if you really want to scale from 7 to 8 figures more. Usually, when I'm meeting a CEO and he's telling me the story of, yeah, my CPA has been rising for the past 6 months, how many creatives did you create per week? Zero. Per month, four or five, maybe. Okay, there is a problem right here. It's not possible. I mean, it can happen, but you're not just putting all the chances on your side. There is like really a game of creatives nowadays, and it's way more important than replacing your media buyers. Now, I'm not saying there is not bad media buyers. There is, last month I entered into like a Meta ad account and an AdWords ad account, and it was really a disaster. So it's happening sometimes, but it's if it's been working for the past 2 years with the same team, there is a chance that you gotta look, on top of the food chain. And at this stage, you need better people, unfortunately. But you need better people not at the end. You need better people on the top, meaning like you probably need a better CMO, a better creative strategist. You probably need to do CRO. It's almost impossible to scale from 7 to 8 figures without doing proper CRO. You probably need like an amazing backend. So if you just have like, very classical flow setup with Klaviyo, it's good. But if you're like below 30% of revenue with your emails, you got to work on it. So there is, what I, the conclusion of this is you need to see your e-commerce as a whole, and you need a holistic approach to it in 2025. Let's give you another example. If you're doing meta ads, for example, and you're selling a product above $100, people are going to search for your brand online, right? It's basic. Everybody knows that. But then they're going to type the name of your brand, whatever it is, and they're going to search for external reviews. They're going to search for, like press articles. And if they don't find it, they're going to bounce, and you're going to lose customers like this. So but to do that, you need press release, but you need very basic things, but you need like really like it needs to work in synergy together. And it's really the game in 2025. While 5 6 years ago the game was to be really good at media buying, it's not the case anymore. You still need to be good, but you need to be good on many other aspects, and I think it's what's missing when I'm talking to D2C brand owners usually. So I hope it helps, and just gonna do more videos.